We're in San Antonio.
Yeah.
We're buying a house.
We're buying a house.
To where we're actually signing it on a phone because we did not think we'd be buying a house today.
So this is the Spanish Oak, right?
Yes, the Spanish Oak with the bedroom downstairs. Also the master downstairs and an extra bedroom downstairs. It looks really relaxing out here though.
I do like how you get a little bit of green belt. You get all of that. So at least you know it's never going to be disturbed. And that's somebody's property right there. And this would be the house.
So, I mean, we could do too. We can do an extended patio from here to here.
Yeah. I mean, my guess is you got to have...
We can see a little hills over there too.
Yeah, that's true, huh? But from our bedroom, right here, we see this. So I half like it, I half like, eh. Right. Wow, it's crazy to be in here with all these sticks, huh?
I know, this is pretty cool. We shouldn't be here without a hard hat, but here we are. So the view is going to be that this is a neighbor's yard. I really don't like that.
It's crazy how they have that roofing though. It's so interesting. Because you always wonder how, like what they do with this kind of empty space right here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because this is going to be the pantry right here.
Yeah. So over here is this is going to be the dining room / my office. This is why we want this house though, right here. They're actually framing this to be a guest bedroom downstairs, which is perfect for mom and dad.
Yeah, so here's where the bathroom would be.
Yeah. It's probably the walk-in shower too, which is perfect.
Yeah. This is a really good sized bedroom for the parentals.
Yeah, I think so too. It's perfect, right?
Yeah, I think so.
We can't go upstairs though because there ain't no upstairs.
Oh yeah, there's no stairs.
No.
That's how they've been doing stairs right there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is early. That's crazy. That's crazy how dangerous that is.
I know, they
You think they
risk their
would?
lives.
They do. I respect that. Man.
Because right here is the stairs, look, right here. It's gonna go up this way, and then up this way, and then up that way.
Oh yeah.
There's
Yeah.
like that little curvy thing, remember?
Right.
And then over there is like all the rooms and the media room and
Cool.
coolness. It's really close seeing it right now.
Yeah. It's a pretty interesting time. It was cool to see those cows come through.
I know.
That's pretty awesome. So, okay, now I'm in our bathroom.
Yeah.
And
You shower and tub.
this is the toilet room right here. You're in our little, like, master bedroom foyer.
Yeah, a little foyer. We should have a little chandelier here.
Yeah. And here's a closet, I'm assuming.
Yeah, the closet's huge.
And this is gonna be the washer and dryer over here. And then here's for the water heater. Somebody had some good food right here, whatever that is. And then yeah, that's the garage. See, that's gonna be a tight little spot between us and the neighbors right there. 'Cause
I don't, that's the only thing I don't like about this neighborhood. It's really close.
I do like the hills over there though.
Me too.
That's pretty cool. I kind of wish this house was like a couple steps
that's
over
what I'm
that
telling
way.
you. They have an evergreen going up way over there,
Yeah,
but it's not gonna be done until October.
yeah.
I'm like patient with that.
That's kind of tough. Hey, a plane. So I'm standing in the very corner of what could possibly become our lot. So from where I'm standing now, Yeah. So from where I am now to the red truck, which is our truck, would be our whole, like our land. So from our lot, whatever. So from here to the tree to that first pink flag. I don't know if you can see it, but all the way over there would be our house. Okay, this is not bad. This is San Antonio. And back behind me is all of this. All of this greenery. You're at the very end? Barely. Echo. Yeah, I think we should do this. That was a butterfly. I feel it here.
Yeah, we'll just be in an apartment a lot longer.
Right. You willing to wait?
I think so.
Okay, so let me get to the middle of the house. Okay, so here. So from here all the way back to that little black tarp would be ours.
Yeah.
That's pretty far. Awesome.
So this is a really cute one story, but Daryl does not like one stories. But look how cute this is. And then watch, there's like a dining room here. It's so pretty. Look at that. One stories are so pretty to me, but Daryl loves his 2 stories. The master. It's kind of basic. It's so hard to breathe in these stupid masks. This is super cute. I can't believe we're doing this again. All right, guys. So this is how random this is. We are in the parking lot at Olive Garden. This is actually the Olive Garden that we had our first date in.
Sure is, baby.
We're in San Antonio.
Yeah.
We're buying a house.
We're buying a house.
To where we're actually signing it
Yeah.
on a phone because we did not think we'd be buying a house today.
But we are. It's an enormous blessing, and I just really appreciate it.
Yeah. So we chose to go with a lot instead of a finished house because
Right.
we loved it so much. So now
Yeah.
we're gonna sell our house and move into an apartment.
Yeah.
Again.
In San Antonio,
Here in San Antonio.
which I think would be fun.
It will be fun. We had fun in our apartment in Florida.
Yeah. I really was happy with the apartment. I wasn't even rushed to leave.
Yeah,
really.
me neither.
So it'll be cool.
Yeah, so now we're about to,
So now I'm about to sign it.
yeah, and then give our earnest money.
So let's click on start first. You read this, right? I didn't read it.
Let me read it. I read some of it.
All right. I'm sure it's fine.
Let me see. Hold on. So we just literally got a text from our sales agent that said we beat another family by what? 13 minutes?
13 minutes.
13 minutes. They were about to buy that lot. Wow. God is good.
Yep, he is. I guess it wasn't meant for them. It's meant for us, right?
Yeah. Wow. So now we're about to finish signing all this and send over the earnest money. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. Right here at the Olive Garden where we had our first date.
It is, baby.
What, 11 years ago now? 11 years ago. Almost 12 years.
12.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Almost 12 years
12
ago.
years, little Heidi. I just celebrated right now, you know? I never really celebrate
You don't.
victories.
You don't.
But right now I feel like I celebrated. I celebrated, right?
You did.
Yeah. I'm just really happy. Very blessed. Thank you, God.